Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shopline. Today I'm going to show you guys three important things about Shopline. Okay, first thing, a brief about who we are. Second thing, our unique selling point. Okay, and third thing, our plans and packages. Okay, so you guys are ready, so let's start. So first of all, a quick brief about who Shopline is. I mean, to be honest, we started this business 7 to 8 years back then in Taiwan itself, in Taiwan and Hong Kong. So our founders is actually from Taiwan and Hong Kong, and right now our HQ is in Taiwan. So we started off 7 years back then, and for Malaysia, we just started like almost 2 years already. So in the whole Asia, we have more than 200,000 plus of merchants of all sizes. We have big ones like Nestle, Durex, Volkswagen, Ferrari, even some of the celebrities in Taiwan, right? I'm pretty sure everyone knows who is like Jay Chou. We have like Jay Chou, we have Edison Chen, Jackie Wu, Chen Lingju, and a lot of celebrities like Xiao Gui, all this. So they are online, so they're also using Shopline services as well. So of course we have some smaller brands like Milix, Blue Wheat, Life Warehouse, a lot of brands that you never heard before to succeed. Okay, so that's why we have more than 200,000 plus of merchant of all sizes. So right now we are covering Taiwan, Hong Kong, Malaysia, what else? Yeah, Shenzhen and also Vietnam. Yep. Okay, and for Malaysia itself, right, our main important thing is we understand our merchants challenge. So this is what we do all this while. So our unique selling point in Shopline, okay, there's three things as well. First thing, so we are more like a one-stop solution, okay, of doing everything for merchant. Okay, one-stop solution as in we don't just help you in your website, okay, we also help you on different other channels like Facebook and also like maybe marketplaces like Shopee or Supply Bunny. So all different channels, like all in one-stop solution. Okay. And second thing, so with all these different channels, we have it to automate or make have better features to support you. And not just about that, we even have support like let's say Facebook ads or Facebook posts to help you to get more sales or even to get better brand awareness. Yep. So this is what you also can get in Shopline. So that's why in Shopline we are very different compared to other platforms, as in we don't just provide you a place for you to build your own website, okay? But we even have different channels to support you, and we even do sales to help you to. We even do advertisement to help you to get more sales, okay? Because the main priority in Shopline is to help our merchants to increase their sales. That's the main thing, okay? And thirdly, we even help our merchants to build their online store for them. Yes, so it means that what happened is these merchants, your clients, they just need to send us their top 20 to 50 products, maybe their logo, their banners, their visual, pricing, everything, all the information sent to us, and we build their online store for them because we have already preset all these templates, so we can just use this template and the information and build their online store for them. Okay, so this is our USP. So follow up with our plans and packages. So let me show you guys on what we have. Okay, let me show you our screen, my screen. Yep. So first of all, I think a few things. Okay, I think we start with from the website first because as mentioned in Shopline, we have different channels to support merchant. So the first channel will be from website. Okay, so it means that we help our merchants to create their own branding, their own online store for them. So for example, this is one of our merchant. So what we do is, as mentioned, just send us like the logo or the banners or whatever information they have, like maybe their videos or maybe some Facebook link or some visuals or products, pricing, everything, send to us, okay? So we help them to create their own online store for them, okay? So it means that from here, you can see like all this photos. So everything provided from our merchant now. Okay, then yes, even you have like location, you have a Facebook page, Instagram page, just send everything, all information to us so we can build for them. So for the product wise, okay, so let's say, okay, maybe let me see this first. Okay, maybe let me choose another product. Yep. So for online store, right, first thing, we are not like those like branding only, basically like just for branding and can't buy. No. So for our online store, your customers or our customers can actually log into their online store and buy from there. Okay. So it means that once you have everything, okay, even for product wise, you actually can choose like different series. So all this information you send to our team, then we actually can help you to build for you. Okay, then second thing, so the good thing in Shopline, right, we have a lot of features for our online store. It means that you can even like create different kind of promotions, like maybe purchase with purchase, buy one free one, discount, free shipping, free voucher, anything. So to attract customer to buy more. So in our Shopline, all these features we have quite a lot. So to attract your customers to buy, so you can just like, let's say this product, you can add on a few things, then you can just buy together. Okay, so inside here you also can add in like maybe your photos, I mean as in this description through wording, through photos, or even video as well. So it's very informative. Okay, so once confirm everything, then you can go to checkout. Okay, so from checkout here, so the customer can confirm what they want to buy. And even if you want, you also can like have some smaller things so customer can just add to cart and buy directly, right? Then here you can choose like the destination you want, the delivery method you want, and the payment method you want. Okay, so the payment method and delivery method I'll explain more to you guys later on. But as a customer, they can just choose the thing they want, proceed to checkout, make payment, as simple as that. So at least the whole process can be automated. Okay, that's the first thing. And second thing, we also can your merchant also can select different languages. So it means that from back end, right, they can preset maybe English, Malay, or maybe Chinese. Okay, based on whatever target audience is the customers are. So from back end, you preset already. So once you change the language, everything, all the wording, everything will be changed. Okay, so preset by your own self. So it's not like a Google translation. It's more like you already have all the wording, then you just key into the back end. So when the customer see, it will based on all the wordings. Okay, so this is on the wording wise. Then extra few things you can do also. Okay, so what happened is, let's say if your customers, they are interested to ask more information from you. Okay, so what you can do is from your home page, you also can set a few things, like for example, you can set this as either you want your customers to WhatsApp you directly, or you want them to like Facebook Messenger you directly, or you also can preset like a live chat or a certain chat session here. Okay, like maybe link with your Facebook Messenger, so at least customer can just like maybe continue as guest or continue as their account and text you separately. So in a way, they can just find you directly lah. So it's quite convenient. And besides that, so besides the promotion features, we also have a lot of features to actually to help out for your merchant's business. Okay, I think one of the thing is our loyalty program, because to have a long-term business, right, I think loyalty program is very important so that the customer keep on coming back now. So that's why we have this CRM loyalty program feature, where it's quite similar like Grab points. So it means that customer buy from you, they get points. The more they buy from you, okay, then the more points they get, then maybe the higher tiers they can reach. So they get even more benefits and they can come back and buy from you again. So yeah, so from backend, you also can preset like different tiers or this, so customers can, when they log in, and also, okay, every time before a customer make payment, right? So what they need to do, they actually need to log in with their name, or maybe with their email or with their Facebook account. So in a way, you also get their information. Then after they log in, okay, then yeah, so they can actually can register in register as a normal member. Then when they buy more, then you guys can upgrade them to like higher tiers based on whatever requirements you provide. Okay, so it's very convenient. You even can set like, let's say birthday voucher. So it means that on their own birthday, it will be have like automatic send email, say that, oh, you have this birthday voucher for you to use it. Okay, so yes, you can set, there's some automatic features that you actually can send, like maybe birthday vouchers or welcome credit, or you can also set like manual promotions. Maybe you can select certain tiers and send different promotion to them. So this part is more on the loyalty program. Yeah, so this actually helps a lot to actually to have more customers to come back to you. Okay, then you also can select like create different landing pages, like depends on whatever information you want to share to your customers. Okay, so yeah, so this is how the website works. Okay, and some extra things to share to you all also. So actually from backend one, so let's say if your customers has a lot, if your merchant has a lot products, right? So we also have this like bulk update or bulk upload. So it means that one click basically can upload everything into the online store. Okay, yep. Or let's say if today customer make order, okay, so how the whole process work, as in today customer goes to your online store, they see the product they want, they make a payment. So from your client side, okay, so they receive the orders, so they actually can check everything from here. So they can check like the payment status, the order status, everything. Okay, so let's say they get all the payment already, customer they already paid, so the information they just send to the logistic will come to maybe their office, their house, their warehouse to collect and deliver to a customer. So it's very convenient, the whole process. So from here, yeah, so means that your client, your merchant can check all the information there. And so there's a few things also. Your online store, right? So you also can link with like Google Analytics, so you can check like SEO, everything else, okay? And we also have this powerful tools, we call this Shoplytics. So inside here, you actually can track like maybe who's your top 10 best selling product, or who's your maybe top supporting customers. You can check everything inside there as well. And the best part is, every customer that log in and maybe register, right, you have their information. So it means that you have their names, their phone numbers, their email, how much they spend. You can even filter it out, okay? You can even export it out. So to actually export and maybe send some blast email or for maybe message to your customers. Yeah, so you actually can do a lot of things, okay? So, and besides that, so what you also can do, as in some of merchants, what they do when the customer goes to an online store, okay, so they have like a pop-up window, say that you sign right now, I give you like 50 ringgit welcome credits. So this part you actually can set it automatically, or you also can give like birthday promotions or different vouchers to your customer lah. So for the credit wise, it's 1 ringgit. 1 ringgit equals to 1 credit, 1 store credit, okay? Yeah, so this is what I share as just now I mentioned. So it means that today when you have all your customer database, right? So from time to time, you also can have some broadcast message, like either through Facebook Messenger or through email or through SMS or through line, and you actually can send it to your customer. So it means that, let's say maybe during a birthday, you can send like something like this, like happy birthday, you can get this for free or buy one free one. Or you also can filter, yes, set your own target group, depends on whatever promotion you want to do, and you can just set your target and send to your customers. Yeah, so you have a lot of features to use it. And we also have this affiliate program. So it means that, let's say today, if you want to have like maybe your influencer or your friends and family to promote for you, so you also can create like an affiliate program. You can create like an affiliate link and give it to these people, so they actually can share to their own network. So when their network click the link, okay, to your online store to buy, then you'll be notified, and you actually can give them commission or whatever things you want to give them also possible. Yep. So this is what you can do. Okay. Yeah. So this is more on the website part. Okay. So basically, I think it's quite a full-fledged things where you can fully utilize all the features for a customer to actually to buy more from you. Okay. So this is on website. So another thing what we can support also on Facebook. Okay, where we actually can help your clients actually to automate their Facebook page. Right. For example, so it means that today, if you have your own online store, so because what happened is today, when you have your online store, the main question as in how to get more customers to your online store. Because even you can be the most prettiest one, but if no one realize about your online store, also very hard now, right? So there's a few things we can help to assist on this part. First thing as in, so let's say if you have your own Facebook page, okay? So you actually can link together, okay? And not just about that, we can help a lot and support to automate your Facebook page. Okay, so let's say normally if your customers know about your Facebook page, when they go to your Facebook page, maybe they just like see your things, and if they're interested, they just PM, right? So everything is about PM only. So it's quite troublesome. Or if they're interested, maybe they just send message and wait for a reply. Maybe you have to wait for half day, 1 day, or few days when you are free to reply. So what we can do is we actually can automate the whole thing. So it means that if today, okay, so your customers go to your online store, go to your Facebook page. So instead of them PM you, okay, or we can have this chatbot, we have this chatbot feature where your customer can click the send message, okay? Then let's say you can just say hi, okay? So from here, click hi. So you have like preset chatbot yourself. Then you can just set whatever things you want. So let's say if the customer, they want to see more about your information, they can click like about your information, or maybe view your promotion. Or if, and the good thing for this chatbot, right, compared to the platforms or whatever features out compared to outside, right, the good thing as in we can help you to integrate your menu and also payment inside there. Yeah, because most of the platforms out there, what they do is either they can do auto reply, or maybe they can set like all this simple chatbot, like maybe just some reply, this and that. Okay, but in Shopline, okay, the good thing as in we have this chatbot, then your customer can also browse your menu and your product directly. So it means that if you're interested, you can just click this browse menu, okay? Then it will appear like different categories from your online store. Then let's say if you want to choose maybe this salad, okay? When you click view products, it will auto pop up your products, then you shop now. So it will link you to your online store, okay? Yeah, so it means that the customer can just add to cart, check out, make payment, done. Very simple. Yeah, so this means that even today, if your customer don't know about your online store, okay, they can also come to your Facebook page, okay, check everything with the chatbot, they can shop now and purchase directly. So without your client that have to every day go and check their Facebook page, basically there's an automated system can settle for them, okay? So this is on the chatbot. And besides that, we also can automate your Facebook selling as well, right? So normally, let's say for example, normally when you do your Facebook live, right? If the customer interested, they just PM. So what happens is like maybe you need some admin person that to really reply each of them one by one to say like, oh, this is our price, this is my bank account, how many you want, or what is your information, this and that. So it's very troublesome. So what we can do is, as in today when you watch the Facebook live, okay, so just watch. So you can just listen like what they're selling, this and that, right? Okay, so basically we are helping, previously we are helping our one of our merchant, okay, to sell as well. So but the good thing as in today when you watch, okay, all you need to do is you can set certain keywords, let's say like this SPJ1, okay. So what you only need to do during the live, at the comment section, you just key in SPJ1, okay, enter. So what happens is your Facebook Messenger will auto pop up, okay, and add that product into the cart. Very convenient. So instead of you PM, right? So what happens is it will auto add into cart, okay. Let me see if this, right? Yeah. So if you realize it will auto add to cart, so just key in whatever keywords you want. So after that, you auto add to your Facebook Messenger. Then from here, okay, yeah. So you just like already add to cart. So let's say if you're selling different things, you key in different keywords inside your Facebook live, okay? Then you auto add everything here. Then you just go to checkout. So it will link to your checkout page from your online store, okay? Then set everything, customer choose what they want, proceed to checkout, as simple as that. So even today, when you're doing Facebook Live, right, everything can also be automated. Customers can go there, make payment, done. So everything, you don't have to like really set people to actually reply them, this and that, because customer can just proceed to check out, make payment. So from your merchant's back end, they just see the orders and make a delivery to the customer. As simple as that. So that's why even right now, we have a lot of merchants already using, like for example, we have this merchant, Zhu Haoren. So normally their live, I think they have like more than thousands or more than 10,000 of viewers, right? So it's very hard for them to really reply one by one. So what they do is like, they use our feature. So when they sell, they just say like, oh, key in this certain keyword, okay? Then the customer can buy directly. So very convenient, okay? Yeah, so this is more on the automated from Facebook, okay? And thirdly, let's say if you your clients is also selling at Shopee, okay? So we also can integrate your Shopee account with your online store on the product and inventory. Okay, so it means that let's say today a customer bought maybe a shirt from your Shopee account. Okay, so it means that your SKU will deduct one month, right? So in your own online store, your backend, your SKU will also automatically deduct one as well. So at least you don't have to like so troublesome go here and go there to check. So it's like automated. So this is what we can do. So three things, okay? Help you to create your own online store, okay, your website. Second thing, automated your Facebook. And third thing, is have you to integrate with your Shopee account as well. So currently we only can cater for Shopee lah. So in future when the demands is we have higher demand, we might even cater for other platforms lah. But right now it's Shopee. Okay, so let me show you guys more on the prices wise. Okay, right now we have 4 types of plans at this moment. Okay, so ultimately it very depends on your client, what is their preference. So like for example, if today they only want like a very simple Facebook automated shop, okay, then this Facebook store is more suitable. Okay, so it means that customer can just I mean your client, they can take up this package. Okay, so they have like the Facebook chatbot, the Facebook Live feature, so they can use. They also can give out like different promotions, or they also can have like all this re-engage broadcast center to actually to send promotion to a customer. So like a full-fledged usage on a Facebook shop. Okay, so we have this part. Or let's say if your merchant, they say, oh, I just want a very simple website, like a very simple online store. Means that I have an online store, my customer can come over to make payment, or maybe I just want to do for branding or services. Okay, then this website store is more suitable. Okay, so means that we help them to build their own online store. Okay, send us their information. Okay, then we build for them. Then they also can have like very simple to give up promotions. Then have all these features to use out. Okay, also can by just using this website store. Okay, or let's say if today they want to have more channels to integrate, so it means that I just, instead of only having a website, okay, or maybe just Facebook, I want more channels. So let's say we have this 3-in-1 plan where we actually help you to focus on your Facebook automated shop, okay, your website, and also integrate with Shopee as well. Okay, we have this plan. Then the last one, our highest will be our 3-in-1 Pro. So it means that you get everything plus the loyalty program. Okay, where as mentioned, like you actually can create different tiers. You can create like different points for a customer as well. And even the different tiers means that each tier, when a customer goes in, okay, they can also see specific price for that tier itself. So let's say if you are platinum, when you go in, you can see even cheaper price. Or if you are like maybe just maybe standard or normal, you see a normal price. So this CRM, right, it can also help you for your B2B and B2C. So let's say if your business, right, they are catering for B2B and B2C. So let's say for B2B, you can create a special tier for them. So it means that when they go in, then they get special price. Or you also can give them like a promo code for them to key in. So when they buy from you, then basically they have a special price, special price for it. So this is our 3-in-1 Pro. So ultimately, the whole summary, as in if your client is very new, they just started their business, I think this tool is more suitable for them. Depends on whether they want to just focus on only website or they want to focus on only on Facebook. Okay, this is the first thing. Or let's say if they want to have to focus more on more channels, okay, then 3-in-1 will be better, as in you have Facebook, you have website, and you also have Shopee integration. Okay, or if you want to have a full-fledged, okay, a long-term business, then 3-in-1 Pro will be better. So it means that you get everything plus the loyalty program, okay, the CRM membership and the credits. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, and on the pricing wise, okay, so what happened is all these plans, right, is an annual renewal package. So it means that basically it will renew every year. So that's why your client, they can pay either through the whole year. So it means that they can straight away pay for one whole year, or they can pay monthly. Yep. So of course, if they pay yearly ones, it will be much more cheaper. It's like 80% cheaper, off. So it's like for the website or Facebook store, it's only 578.4 per whole year. Then 3-in-1 is 1188, or 3-in-1 Pro is this price. Okay, but let's say if they pay for monthly, right, so it'll be more expensive. Like for example, if they get for this, is 1 month is 109, but if they pay yearly, if you calculate, right, it's like 48 ringgit only. Yeah. So for example, for this, it's like 129 or 289, right? But if you calculate, it's like 99 ringgit or even 128. So it's super cheap when they get for one whole year plan. Okay. Yeah. So this is how our plan works. Then let me explain more on the add-on for you. Okay. So we have some value-added services. Okay. The digital marketing, I'll explain more to you later on. So let's say for the payment gateway. So right now we have 3 payment gateways at this moment. Okay. we have Razer, which is MoPay, we have Stripe or PayPal. So most of merchants, right, they're actually using Stripe. Okay, the main reason is because Stripe, you can just register an account within 15 to 20 minutes. So it's very, very simple and convenient. Okay, then they also, because they are also quite similar like a PayPal, means that they are international company, so they are more secure and it's very easy for you to apply for an account. Then your customer can make through like Visa, Master, like credit card, debit card, or they also can pay through like internet banking, FPX. Okay, so the rates are, for now, they are not the cheapest and not the most expensive one. Is around 3% plus RM1. Okay, then of course we have like Razer, but Razer, the difference as in you have to wait very long for them to approve because it's like a local payment gateway ma. So even though their rates is cheaper, but first thing you have to wait longer, and second thing, they have a 900 ringgit sign up fees. So it means that before you use, you have to pay this amount to them first. But for Stripe, you don't have to. Okay, so very soon later on we have our fourth payment gateway company, and as I heard, it's much more. The rates is much more cheaper as well. So in future, your client can move over to the latest one. Yeah, it's up to them. Okay, and these are the payment gateways that we have. So you also can create like options for a customer to choose. So it means that if you want to save the payment gateways, right, a few ways your client can do as in, okay, so either you can absorb the 3% yourself. If not, you also can, let's say you can create, like ask them to make through credit card. Then you also can charge them the maybe a 3% or few percent and send it to your customer. Okay, like for example, let me share this. Okay, so when you check out, right? Oops. Okay, let me select one product. Yeah, so this is one of merchant live warehouse. I think you also can try to use their website to showcase if you wanna, because I think they have one of the prettiest and yeah, the most and they put a lot of features everything inside there, so you actually can have a look on this part. Okay, yeah, so on the payment, what you can do, right? So let's say if you want to use PayPal, okay, maybe they charge more expensive. So you actually can set certain percentage, okay? So it means that your customer bear for it. So you also can do, okay? Yeah, or you can just ask your customer to ATM bank transfer to you, but it will be very manual and a bit troublesome, as in after they make payment, you can give them a bank account, but they still have to screenshot and maybe WhatsApp to your number to give you the bank statement for you to track. So this is, you can save the percentage, but just like it's a bit manual. If not, you can use the payment gateway. Okay, so this is for payment gateway. Then for logistic, okay, so logistic wise, yeah, we actually have a few logistic companies that can help our merchants to deliver their products. So right now we are focusing more a lot on Mr. Speedy and Ninja Van. So what happened is this Ninja Van can be integrated. So it means that when the customer make a payment, right? So from your side, you receive the order, just one click, right? Ninja Van, they receive all the information like the customer shipping details, address, timing, everything. So they just need to come over to your place to collect the product and deliver it to your customer. So it's very convenient. Yeah. So Ninja Van, you actually can check their rates here. Everything is here as well. And Mr. Speedy. So it's very convenient. So Mr. Speedy, let's say if your client, they are maybe selling more like maybe grocery or frozen products, right? So it means that have to be delivered within that few hours. So Mr. Speedy can help a lot. Okay, if not, that's like normal products, maybe within a few days, then Ninja Van can help too. Okay, so you can click here. So it means that, yeah, one click, then basically they can check, they can come over, collect, and deliver to your customer. So it's quite very convenient. This is on logistic. Okay, so for domain wise, so let's say domain with a few options. So for example, first thing, if your client, they want to have a free domain, so it'll be something like this. So basically they can get a free domain from Shopline when basically but the domain will be like their store name .shoplineapp.com. Okay, if they want to have their own domain, okay, they actually, like for example me, their store name .my or .com. So right now we're having a promotion that we can help them to get at 180 ringgit per year instead of 270 ringgit. So it means that when they sign up with the website plan, okay, then they if they want to have their own domain, they can pay us extra 180 ringgit per whole year, then we can buy it for them. Okay, or let's say if they already have their own domain, or maybe they're using other website, so what we can do is we can also have them to switch over for free. So it means that they already paid for it, so we just have them to switch over their domain to their Shopline website and use it. Very convenient. Okay, so this is for the domain. Then yeah, so we also, let's say if your merchant they need like maybe product photography, or they also need us like to design something for them. Okay, also can. So what happened is, just like I mentioned, when we build the online store for them, okay, when we build, it's more like whatever information they send to us, we'll build accordingly. Okay, so let's say if they have like they need us to design something for them. Okay, let's say maybe they want us to design a logo, or design maybe like a banner, or even design, or even beautify the whole thing. Okay, then they actually can get our graphic design package, value added service. Yeah, if not, basically, if their information is sufficient, right, just send to us and we just build the online store for them. Okay, so this is what we can do also. Okay, let's go to digital marketing. Yep. So on digital marketing, right, so what happened is, as mentioned in Shopline, we don't just provide like maybe all these features to you, but we also help you to increase your sales by creating different advertisement to attract more customer, right? So something to share to you all. So what we do is two things. Okay, we can do Facebook ads, okay, and also do Facebook posts as well. Of course, we also do Google ads if there's demand for it lah. But mainly we'll be focusing a lot from Facebook ads and also Facebook posts. So for Facebook ads, okay, how it works as in, normally today if you go to find marketing agency, so they might charge like 3,000 to 5,000 ringgit, right? And also on top of that, they might also take like certain percentage of cut of from the sales or from the commission. Okay, so in Shopline, what we can do is we also provide this feature, okay? But when the client actually takes any of this plan, right, okay, what we do is we waive off the service fee for them. So because normally in Shopline, our service fee is 1,000 ringgit, but let's say if our merchant takes any of this, okay, we'll waive off the 1,000 service fee for them. So then what we do is we help them to design the advertisement, like the copywriting, the visual, everything, okay, and depends on their budget, we help them to find that target audience. Yep, like for example, we create this feature, do all this, and depends on their budget, okay, we just help them to find their target audience. Yeah, so and what we only take is very simple, either 12% or 18% from their advertising spend. Okay, so it means that first thing, we waive off their 1,000 ringgit service fee. Okay, so let's say if they their budget for one ad, okay, is maybe 600 ringgit for one whole month for the ad. Okay, we only take 18% from this 600 ringgit. So here are some example lah. Okay, so if you guys are really like a marketing agency, okay, then no worries, because from our side, then we'll say like, if anything, we can just pass back to you. If let's say maybe you're just reseller and your merchant need like digital marketing service, then they can also engage us for this. Okay, if not, then we'll still pass back to you guys. Okay, no worries, because we know this is a collaboration, so we also want to also help for both sides as well. Okay, so this is what we can do. Additionally, then like for example, yeah, so let's say like all these Facebook ads, yeah, we design all this, then the visual, everything. So this is what we can do. And another thing we can do is also on Facebook posts as well. So let's say if today your client, they don't have time to do their own post, right? Okay, so we also can help them to create their own Facebook posts. So it means that what we do is we create 4 posts, okay, including visual and copywriting. So every week we have them to post every week. So at least it keeps their Facebook page active as well. So this is what you can do at 400 ringgit per month. As simple as that. Okay, yeah, so these are the things that we can do. So let's say if today, okay, if today your client are interested, so what you need to do is basically it's very simple. They can, there's 2 ways for them to make payment. So let's say if they want to have this 3-in-1 Pro, okay, and they want to pay for this amount yearly, so we can send you our bank account number. So basically they can just pay directly to the bank account and screenshot and send to us. Okay, so we have 2 ways of payment. So it means that, or we can have we can give you like a payment link. So let's say if they want to use their credit card or debit card to pay, then we give you the payment link. they'll click whatever things they want to pay, then buy now, and just key in their credit card or debit card information and just place order. After that, they need to screenshot, okay, and send the information to us. So this is the first way. Second way is we can give you our company bank account number. After we make payment, also same thing, screenshot and send to us, okay? So what happened is, today when your client make payment, so what we do is, within 1 to 3 working days, okay, we create a WhatsApp group chat. Then inside this group chat, we inform your client as in what information we need, maybe their photos, their pricing, all their things, and we guide them how to email to us, okay? So once we receive all their information, then within 2 to 3 weeks, we help them to build their online store. As simple as that, okay? So this is what we can do. So remember, first thing after payment, within 1 to 3 working days, we create a WhatsApp group chat, okay? Once we collect all the information, within 2 weeks, we create their own online store for them. Yep. So, and something to share to you all. In this 4 package, right? So this one got website, this one got website, this one got website. So it means that, yes, we create a website for them, no? But for this Facebook store, right? Okay. So what we can support is very simple. We only support in their, how to say, a product catalog. Okay. So let's say if today your client, they only take this Facebook store. Okay. So it means that they don't have a Facebook page, right? But what they will have as in, they will have this catalog page, okay? So it's slightly similar like a website, but it's not really a website. It's more like a catalog page for their customer to make payment, to choose a product and make payment. So this product page, okay, Shopline will build for you. So it means that also same thing, send us the products, the prices, everything. So we help you to create the products, the catalog, okay, so customer can make payment, okay? So this is what we include. But let's say for the chatbot, right? All this chatbot information we don't do for the client. So we actually will send the guides for them to actually to do it themselves. Yeah, so at least we teach them like what is normally how you can set or what things you can set, so for you to set everything, but we don't do it for them. Okay. Yep. So just to clarify, so we only build their online store, we only build their catalog, okay, but not their chatbot. So yes, so once make payment within 2 to 3 weeks, then get the whole thing done, then that's all. And a few things to share to you guys, okay? So what happened is, whenever the merchant make payment, so let's say after they make payment, if they want to start immediately, can, no problem. Or let's say if they want to start later on, also can, because we actually can on hold maximum 3 months for them, okay? Then let's say if they want to cancel halfway, right? Okay, please know that there's a 50% termination fees. So that's why I'm better off for you guys to get a yearly payment now, so easier, okay? Then we actually will set the start date. So it means that let's say if we want to set after today they make payment, and the start date we set 1 week later. Okay, so it means that 1 week later we'll start serving them. We'll start counting the payment they make today. We'll also start building their website. Okay, so this is about the start date. Yeah. So yeah. So what happened is we can't start building a website before the start date start. Okay. Yeah, so it means that on the start date itself, we only start serving them and start building a website. So it can't be like, once we build the whole website, we only start the charges. No, the whole thing will start on the start date. Okay. What else? So a few more things. Okay, one more thing. So what happened is, inside the group chat, right? We will support our merchants as much as we can. Okay, so it means that if your client, they have any questions or they need some tutorial guide, anything, right? So they actually can ask in the group chat. Our team will support them. But what happened is, our group chat, right? We cannot reply them immediately because we have thousands of merchants who actually reply every day, right? So what we can do is, within that day itself, we'll reply to them. Okay, if your merchant need like a faster lane service or like better service, right? Okay, so we have this extra service. So it means that if they want to reply immediately, like within 1 hour, then they actually can sign up with this plan, extra 600 ringgit per month. So we can support them as much as possible. Or if they need like an account manager, they also can pay us this extra 2,000 in order for us to support them even closely. This is more like extra if they need it lah. If not, I think normal plans will be good enough. Okay, yeah, so this is the plan and this is what Shopline can provide and we have at this moment now. Okay, so hope that this helped you all. If you have any questions, please feel free to text me or ask me later on. Okay, thank you everyone. Yes, I think that's all for this part. Okay, thank you. See you then. Bye.